So I decided to do an overhaul video for the Judge kits I got. Here is the High Times 2023 Cannabis Cup Hybrid Flower Judge Kit. Comes in a nice tote bag, made of nice material, zipped at the top so none of the product fell out. Very nice. Here's the Judge Access card. Comes with these cards, has an access code on it to get on their site and judge each category that you got a bag for. Flower category, they threw in a pack of joint papers as well. Got some stickers. 27 individually grammed hybrid flowers. We'll get into all the different companies. And I will also be doing individual reviews on each one of these as well. So here we have from our Greenleaf, we got some Skywalker OG, which is one of the ones that topped out at 30%. We have Mac Stomper. Here next to it, we have from Prohibition 37, Funk Fetty, Blunts, and OG Zest. We got 3 entries from Pecos Valley, Spiced Punch, Mac 2, and we have Ocean Beach. From New Mexico High Grade Cannabis, we have Highway Max. From Elevated Cannabis, we have Berlotti and Cherry Canary. Grapes and Cream by Crescent Valley. This is going to be Sandia Botanicals, their modified grapes. We have one from Urban Wellness. This was the other one that topped out at 30.18%, their Cake and Chem. We have 2 from 7 Clover. I believe it's Tahiti Lime, Biker OG, and then Jessica Rabbit. We have 3 entries from Pure Life as well. Purple Octane times Jealousy. Or crossed with Jealousy, I'm sorry. We got LA Banana Cake at number 5. And Champaya number 5. Here we have from All Sick. Let me actually look at the producer. This is Enchanted Botanicals Wolf Breath. We got The Biz Indoor Premium Flower. This is from Iron Fist Cannabis. Earl and Tom, and it's going to be Earl and Tom's Crescendo. 2 entries from the Harvest Foundation. We have El Chivo number 11 and El Chivo number 9. We got the Growers Circle. Try to let that, there you go. And we have their Oreo cake. This is Seed Funky Genetics, Purple Push Pop. And then last but not least, we have the Good Herb with their Apple Fritter. I believe each company or manufacturer was allowed to enter up to 3 different strains. So that's why some of them had 3, some had 2, some only had 1. But yeah, that's pretty much a nice little overhaul video. Like I said, we'll be doing individual reviews for them, starting with this Funk Fetty. And yeah, I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I like and subscribe, I suppose. And yeah, until next time.